Today, RB5K. How are you today, sir?
I'm fabulous.
We got a new guy on the channel, Ahmad.
What's up, guys?
This is a brand new experience for you. You've been riding for how many days?
6 days.
6. And how many of those days did it take you to drop that motorcycle? 1. We riding. You got a CBR 650R. These are cool bikes. This is a great bike to learn on, man. Good for you. But this bike, it's going to last you a long time. It's going to be a good bike for you. Ahmad and I, we're connected through Senna. Today, we have one big goal. And that goal, we're going to get you on the freeway. You've never been on the freeway before, correct?
Never.
Oh my God. Well, today is that day. We're going to start you off easy. We're going to get you on the 241. It's wide open, not a lot of traffic. Either way, we are 100% responsible for you today. Just let us do all the work for you.
Sounds good.
Let's go ride around for a little while, get comfortable, get on the freeway. We'll go find some food. Should we stop by Lap Motorsports and see how that place is going first?
Yes.
Let's go to Lap Motorsports before we get on the freeway. Oh shit, maybe because it keeps... What is this? Waif Hunters? Waifu Hunters? What is Waifu Hunters? Well, Ahmad, welcome to the world of motorcycling. It's an exciting world. It's like you unlocked a kingdom, like a new part of life, new part of the world. He's been riding for 6 days.
Oh, no way. Yeah, whole day.
What are you working on? Is this yours?
One of your channel partners, LUIMOTO.
Oh, that looks good.
It's the LUIMOTO seat. Yeah, they sent me, this is custom made.
Woo!
Yeah, I don't know if your subscribers know, but you can custom make seat covers for your bike, depending on what you want, color.
How do they do that? They just got to call them up?
So you go on the website, you pick obviously your motorcycle, and then when you pick your motorcycle, you pick a design, and then on the back they have materials, and then you can pick and choose what you want. So for instance, this particular design doesn't come like this in suede, so I had them do all suede on the top with a specific pattern. So this is unique to this bike.
It looks good.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, it came out really, really nice.
Well, the shop is looking good, dude.
Yeah, thanks, man. So I'm getting the racks removed on Monday, and I'm getting new flooring done next month, and so it's gonna look even better.
How dare you do such things?
Yeah. We sold the Gixxer, by the way, if you're looking for it.
Where is it?
We sold it for parts.
I see my gas tank. I know that's not true.
Yeah, nobody wants that fucking thing. Yeah. Did Danny send you wheels? I mean, no pictures of the wheels?
No.
Oh, they're getting polished.
Oh.
Yeah, before anodizing.
I'm calling it.
If you're looking for it, she's right there.
Oh.
Yeah, we had to put my race wheels on it just so we can park it until the correct wheels come in, so then we can start working on it. So I'm taking the signals off.
The signals? I don't know. We got to eat. We got to get this man on the freeway.
Oh, you guys didn't eat already?
No. All right, Ahmad, to the freeway, buddy. Are you? Going on the freeway. Can you hear me okay? All right, don't be nervous. You got this, buddy. All right, so we're gonna go all the way left, and then we're gonna go all all the way to the right. Just follow me. Stay on my ass, okay? Stay as close to me as possible. It's easy, right? And then since we're in this lane, you're going to want to go a little bit faster than the cars on the right. You're doing good. We got to keep pace though. So, a little faster. I hope it's in here. It's not in here. Gas station. We're lost.
Did you change your mind where we were going?
No, I couldn't find it.
Oh.
Okay, let's just go to BJ's, get a big old plate of spaghetti. All right, freeway. You did it.
Dude, I was whiting up the fuck out of my bike.
Thank you. Look at that.
Alright, gentlemen, got the very regular.
Thank you.
Spaghetti ×2.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Anything else I can grab for you guys? Some more water?
I think I need some silverware.
Some silverware, yes. Or, oh, there's right there. Yeah.